Hello everyone, in today's video, I'll show you on how you can reduce times or printing times in Orca Slicer. So let's go ahead and use this example as a base model. And from here, it will take around 10 hours and 23 minutes to go ahead and print this specific model right here. Now, the first thing that I suggest is actually decreasing the layer height. So instead of using something like 0.2, we can then use something like 0.1, or in my case, I'm going to be using 0.02. Let's go ahead and click on adjust. And you can also try adjusting the first layer height if you want to. But simply right after, you want to apply something like the variable layer height. And I'm just going to click on the adaptive and smooth and just apply it normally. Now from there, head over to strength. And you could also try decreasing the wall loops right here. But before we do that, let's go ahead and take a look where we're at now. So basically from 10 hours, we are now at 6 hours and 5 minutes. And then let's go ahead and also try decreasing the wall loops, adjusting our infill percentage. So instead of using something like 15%, let's go ahead and apply 10. And instead of using something like using a costly sparse infill pattern, let's go ahead and choose a simple one, something like grid. Slice the plate once more. And now we are at 2 hours and 40 minutes. But of course, you can adjust this accordingly. You just don't want to lower everything down without checking the quality itself. But generally, that's how you edit out or reduce your print times in Orca Slicer. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.